Right, how are you guys? I hope and believe that you are all fine. My name is Mr. J Chereni. Yeah, so I just want to look at this question. This is a trig, trigonometric question for O level. So this is a bit challenging to the majority of students, but today we want to make it very very simple, right? So I shall clarify on all other areas which make this question maybe a bit difficult, right? Because this question involves a bearing. So fine, let me work it out. Right, fine. So I hope that you have the question. So the first question is saying calculate the length CD. Right. So firstly you need to find for you to calculate CD, you need to be able to have this angle from here to here. So you need to have that angle, of which that angle is very very simple. You just say from here to here, it is given that it is 264 degrees. Then from here up to here, it is 142 degrees. So to get this angle only, you just say 264 minus 142. 264 minus 142, which is 264, right? So to get the angle D, right, DVC, to get DVC, right, D, right, VC, which is an angle equivalent to 264, which is the total number of degrees from here up to here, right? Then subtracting 142, which is from here up to here, right? Then we get 264 minus 142, we get 122. 264 minus 142, we get 122, which is 122 degrees, 122 degrees. Then from there now, for us to find CD is opposite to 122 degrees, right? Our CD is opposite to this angle. Hence, for us to find CD, we have to introduce or employ the use of the cosine rule. We have to use cosine rule because the two sides making up 122 degrees, they are provided. Hence, we have to use what? Cosine rule. So cosine rule states what? Cosine rule states that CD squared is equivalent to the two sides, which is dv squared plus vc squared minus 2 by dv by vc, right? Then angle cos and dvc, right? Then now we just say CD squared is equivalent to, then we now substitute dv is what? 6.2 squared plus vc word is that's 8.3 squared minus 2 by 6.2 by 8.3, then cos dv, which is 122 degrees, right? Then now for us to get CD squared, we have to say 6 squared plus 8.3 squared. What should we get? What should we get them? Right? You need to have this type of a calculator. It is very, very simple in manipulating such things. So if we say 6.2 squared, right, yes, plus 8.3 squared, what do we get? We get 107.33. 107.33. 107.33. Yes. So 107.33. 107.33 minus, right, there's something which I want to show you here, minus, right, 2 multiplied by 6.2, right, multiplied by 8.3, right, then to 102.92, 102.92, get 102 minus 102.92, right, then cos 122, right. Then many students now, they are tempted to subtract here 107.33 minus 102.92. This seems to be what? To be very, very simple, of which 102.92 is attached to cos 122. Hence, 107.33 minus 107.33 and 102.92 cos 122. These are unlike terms. Hence, you don't have to be what? Attempted to subtract these two, right? So, you need to abstain from what? From the attempt of subtracting these two, right? Then, what next? Then now we just say CD is equivalent to or I CD squared. Let me say CD squared is equivalent to what? You subtract as it is. Then you say 107.33 minus 102, right, 102.92. Then you just make sure your calculator your calculator is in DEG mode, right, which is this one, DEG mode. Then you say cos 122, right, then you get your answer as 161. Get your answer as 169,290,67488, right. Then finally CD is equivalent to the square root of the whole of this answer, 161.869,290,67488, right. So what is your answer now? Your answer becomes, if we say the square root of the whole answer is 161.869,290,067,488. So your answer, 161 point. Right, so your answer is 12.722. 12.722 786 27797, which is equivalent to, normally for Zimsec, the question paper will instruct you to round off this answer to three significant figures, or to 2 decimal places. So for three significant figures, your answer becomes 12.7, right? If it is saying you have to leave your answer to 2 decimal places, then your answer becomes 12.72, right? That's it. Thank you for watching. So that is the workings for that.